Hey guys, Taylor GammaEdge here coming at you with a market recap for June 25th, 2025. So today was a pretty boring day. Had the large iron condor structure in place for the session, really just traded in the range. So yeah, let's just get into that structure real quick. I'll show you what the intraday tools are, and then we will end it. Be a short one tonight. So starting out as we always do, right? Teal is the iron condor structure. That was 6120, 6125, top side, bottom side, 60, 55, 60, 50. Then, right, in the middle of that, obviously, more or less we'll just call that big transition zone. And so, right, you can see that's exactly what I've marked out here. This is the top side of the iron condor right here, bottom side down here, and then this right here in the middle, that's our normal DEX transition zone. And that DEX transition zone is this blue box right there based off of delta and the distribution of speculation. Just kind of understanding where there is a change in the structure between call and put dominated strikes. And then for good measure, I had the 6100 there as well, just because it's a key psychological level, more or less right where we did open up. And then yeah, I mean the rest of the day really was just a lot of chop more or less. And right now, some days are exciting, some days are not exciting, based on what kind of trader you are. If you're a directional trader, today was not very exciting. But if you're a premium seller, today was your dream, right? Looking at our intraday volume analysis, we can see basically just chopsticks all session long. So again, very choppy price action. I mean, there really isn't much to tell here today. Then looking at our market trend model as well, more of the same, very little, movement intraday. Again, market trend model, gauge of real-time buying and selling based off the tick index. So very flat filter tick, which measures significant buying, significant selling, very flat as well. Right, and just so you can see the utility of the intraday volume analysis tool if you haven't looked at it yet. So what we do is we look at the centroids on a 5-minute basis. Centroid is the middle point of a distribution. So every 5 minutes, we aggregate call and put volume, find the middle point of that distribution, we plot it. Green calls, red puts. And so, right, by understanding the behavior of call and put speculators from the open to any point in time, here we're looking at the 1:15 Eastern Standard Time slice. We can understand, hey, what price action has been. So again, this is just a very choppy signature. And then B, all else equal, right? We know that price follows where the centroids are going. We can project out where the centroids are to go towards the close, all else equal, which is exactly what this chart is showing you. Bam, bam. So by knowing that, very important for your trading strategy. Because again, what I was saying, today was more or less a directionless day. So premium sellers, great day for that. And not only that, but pairing that with our key levels, we knew where the large structure was today. So understanding, those key levels were likely not to breach. And then obviously, again, last time, just beating the dead horse with the intraday volume analysis, really good guideline for telling us where price may go, but also where price is likely not to go. So question, I guess, is where do we go from here? Looking at our market trend model, in the short term, long term, it is fairly constructive, right? We had a nice recovery earlier in the week, starting to see that resumption higher in the short term. Looking at price itself, we can see, right, 6,100 key level, really haven't been able to break away from that yet. So we need to see that speculation start building, start shifting higher and higher, maybe give us the next leg higher. However, keep in mind, looking at the weekly chart right here, like it's just been a, just a straight shot up back to all-time highs. So this gap up today, bit of a pause, shouldn't have caught us too off guard. But yeah, really gonna have to be critical with, structure tomorrow, just understand where those key points are at to see if it makes sense for us to continue higher, if some kind of, consolidation pullback is warranted. And so with that, that's all I got for you guys tonight. We'll see you tomorrow morning with our pre-market analysis. Thank you. Bye.